Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete cryptos added for price alert on Trust Wallet. So if you want to delete a set of cryptos you've added for price alert on your Trust Wallet, here you can get it done. Just open your Trust Wallet app on your phone, then you input your Face ID, your passcode, or your fingerprint. By the time you do that, then you have the home page of the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Then you tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon at the left top corner. You tap on it. Okay, mistake. Okay, you tap on the gear button, which is the settings icon. Then on the second option, you tap on price alert, which is the. Then from here you can delete any cryptos that you don't want to get notified of the price changes in the market. So if I want to do that, I'm just going to delete this particular crypto for NAS. I don't want to get notified of the price alert anymore. Then you just slide to the left, you slide to the right, then you tap on delete, you slap to the right also, then you tap on delete. And that is how to delete cryptos added for price alert on Trust Wallet. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.